For this strictly, it's a hard work earned win. Your thoughts about this match?
Siguro naging hard yung game gawa ng both teams galing sa talo, di ba? Tama ba? Si UE galing sa talo sa kami talo sa Dasal game. So siguro kaya gusto parehong bumawi, kaya ayun, naging maganda yung laban, mataas yung emosyon.
Alright, thank you to Jersel. You have 14 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 service ace, 9 digs, and 9 exceptions. So, what can you say about your team's performance today? Although nadala kayo sa 5 sets, what can you say?
It pays off po yung lahat ng pinag-trainingan namin. Kasi sobrang, yun na, pinag-trainingan talaga namin lahat ng mga games namin. So, medyo overwhelmed po kasi nga yun, nagawa namin yun, nagawa ko yun. So, we did our best talaga.
Thank you. So, Faida, you had 10 attacks, 2 blocks, and 1 service ace. So, finally, this is your best game so far in the UAP. What are your thoughts? Okay, say.
For me, I said, but I said thank you for my teammates and coaches because they give to me like confidence to do well. But God said to me, welcome back to UAP, and we do also the best. Maybe see you last game.
Okay, the floor is open for questions.
To Faida, you were entered in the game during the final stretch of the contest. What was your mindset because you delivered 2 points including the clinch?
My mindset is the first focus to do like to listen what the coach said for me. Coach said you need to ask for the ball, and also I asked for the ball.
Coach,
Yes po.
ayun, coach, ano naman natin ng first 2 games medyo nag-struggle kasi Faida. Ngayon, paano nyo na siya ginagabayan? Ano pa yung inaasahan niyo sa kanya sa mga susunod na laro?
Ayun, walang hanggang pag-uusap lagi kay Faida since ano siya, di ba, foreign student, foreign athlete. So hindi naman siya yung tipo na bata na pag sinigawan mo talagang babalik agad. Kumbaga, yung treatment pa rin talagang mahinahon, laging kakausapin dapat siya. Kaya siguro naboost ulit yung confidence niya, nagain niya yung confidence niya na talagang nasa isip niya lagi, I will make bawi, coach. Coach, promise me, I will make bawi.
Coach, medyo malaki yung lamang natin ng fourth set tapos sumabog si Gonzalo and then nag-deliver silang lahat. So ano masabi niyo sa composure ng young team niyo? Fifth set.
Ayun, masyadong yung composure namin na break agad. Masyadong nag-focus sa emotion. Kaya siguro nakuha pa yung fourth set. Pero going to fifth set, binago ulit yung mindset kung ano yung dapat na galawin namin. So, ayun, nakuha namin.
Yours, bilang na-experience yun ng sa UAP, tapos si Faida first time na, ano nyo lang siya ginagay bilang mga teammates?
Hindi po namin siya pinapabayaan. Like, kung mag-error man siya, wala. Pinapabayaan lang namin yung mga mistakes na nagagawa. Kasi, malaki talagang tulong si Faida sa amin. Sobrang laki. So, ayun, kaya nagtutalk lang kami sa kanya, hindi kami na tumitigil. So, yun.
Jers, yung paano nyo lang nakip yung composure yun na yun nga, yung 40, yung hindi pa na-close out. Pero nung 56, start strong kayo tapos na-fend kayo yung run. Paano yung panalo?
Una po, relax lang. Ginawa po namin is, yun, composure lang. Like, wala namang mawawala kung lalaro kami ng tama, wala namang mawawala kung we give it all.
Coach, gaano po kaiba yung challenge of facing the defending champions last time against facing this young UE side na although, let's say, rebuilding lang din sila, pero they have the firepower, they have the talent to really compete.
So, new faces si UE, pero matagal na magkasama kasi yung setter and si Lombardo. Kasi malaking bagay. Pero yun nga, facing sa yung championship.
Yung Lasal, facing Lasal versus facing UE po, parang gaano kaiba yung challenge nun para sa inyo?
Yun nga, ulitin ko yung sinabi ko na gigil kami makabawi para mabigay yung best kasi na feel namin kinulang kami yung last game. So eto, yung pinaganda namin, yung mga dapat ayusin, inayos namin. Tapos yun.
Okay, congratulations, Coach Noel, Paida, and Earl.